In the depths of our minds, a fog often lingers, obscuring the true nature of reality. We stumble through life, grasping at shadows, believing them to be substance. But what if I told you that much of our suffering comes not from the world around us, but from the distorted lens through which we view it? Imagine walking through a misty forest, each step uncertain, each shadow a potential threat. This is how many of us navigate life, trapped in a haze of misperception. Our wrong views act as a veil, creating illusions that bind us to confusion and pain. We see enemies where there are none, obstacles where there is opportunity, and limitations where there is boundless potential. But there is a path out of this fog, a way to clear the mist from our minds. It's called right view, and it's the key to unlocking mental clarity. Right view isn't about changing the world. It's about changing how we see it. It's the art of perceiving reality without the distortions of ignorance, fear, or desire. As we cultivate right view, something miraculous begins to happen. The mental fog that has clouded our judgment for so long starts to lift. It's like emerging from a maze to find yourself on a clear, open path. The world hasn't changed, but our perception of it has transformed completely. With this newfound clarity, we begin to see life with wisdom and balance. The distorted mirror of our mind becomes clear glass, reflecting the world as it truly is. We recognize the interconnectedness of all things, the impermanence of our experiences, and the profound impact of our thoughts and actions. This shift in perspective is not just a philosophical exercise. It's the foundation for real change in our lives. With right view, we cultivate peace within ourselves, even amidst chaos. We develop compassion for others, understanding that their actions, like ours, are shaped by their perceptions. In our personal and professional lives, we make wiser decisions, seeing opportunities where others see only challenges. As the clouds of confusion part, a radiant sunrise of understanding illuminates our world. We realize that clarity is not found by changing external circumstances, but by transforming our inner landscape. This is the true power of right view. It doesn't just change what we see, it changes who we are. In this journey from confusion to clarity, we discover that the key to liberation has been within us all along. By embracing right view, we step out of the shadows and into the light of wisdom, ready to face life with open eyes and an open heart.